Excuse me, do you know if this stand sells fresh lemons? I am looking for some, but I am a little lost here. This market is bigger than I thought.
Yes, it does. The lemons are on the other side, next to the oranges. It is your first time here, right?
Yes, it is my first time. I usually shop at a small store near my apartment. Today I wanted to try something different.
That is a good idea. This market is busy, but it is friendly. You can find many fresh things here, and the prices are often better too.
I hope so. I almost did not come this morning. But then I told myself, Sophia, you need to leave your comfort zone. So here I am.
I like that. Many people want change, but they stay in the same place. Coming here may look small, but sometimes small steps are the start of big changes.
That is true. To be honest, I am trying to change more than just where I shop. This week, I decided to be braver in my life.
That sounds important. Did something happen, or did you simply wake up and feel ready for a new start? Both can happen.
A little of both, I think. For a long time, I always chose the safe way. Safe clothes, safe plans, safe people, safe everything.
I understand that. Safe can feel comfortable, but it can also become a kind of cage. After some time, you may feel stuck without knowing why.
Yes, exactly. I am only 21, but I already felt stuck. It was a strange feeling, like my life was quiet on the outside and heavy on the inside.
That is a very honest thing to say. Many people feel that way and never admit it. You are already doing something strong by saying it out loud.
Thank you. I quit my comfort zone. Or at least I am trying to quit it. I even wrote that sentence in my notebook this morning before I left home.
I quit my comfort zone. That is a powerful sentence. It sounds simple, but it carries a lot of meaning when a person truly means it.
I want to truly mean it. Today I came here alone, and later I will ask about renting a small table at this market. I make homemade fruit jam, and I want to sell it.
Wow, that is not a small step at all. That is brave, practical, and creative. So today is not only about lemons, it is about a new beginning.
Yes, the lemons are for a new jam flavor. I make strawberry jam, orange jam, and apple cinnamon jam at home. But I want to try lemon honey jam next.
That sounds delicious. If I saw lemon honey jam at a market stand, I would stop right away. People love homemade food, especially when it feels real and personal.
I hope other people feel the same way. I am nervous because I have never sold anything before. I know how to make jam, but I do not know how to stand there and talk to strangers.
That part gets easier with practice. The first conversations are always the hardest. After that, you start to smile more naturally, and the fear becomes smaller.
I want that. I am tired of letting fear make my choices for me. It has been doing that for too long.
Fear likes routine. It wants you to stay where everything is known and predictable. But life becomes more interesting when you give yourself a chance to surprise yourself.
You speak like someone who has learned this from experience. Did you also leave your comfort zone before? You sound very sure.
Yes, more than once. A few years ago, I left a stable office job. It paid well, but I was not happy, and every day felt the same.
Really? That must have been hard. Most people would stay because of the money and security. What did you do after that?
At first, I was scared. Then I started a small fitness and wellness business with a friend. It grew slowly, but it felt honest, and it felt like my life again.
That is inspiring. So you understand this feeling very well. You understand what it is like to want something more real.
Yes, I do. When you choose something real, you also choose uncertainty. But sometimes, uncertainty is better than a safe life that does not feel alive.
I needed to hear that today. My parents worry about me, and some friends say I should wait. They think I am too young to take risks.
Being young is not a reason to wait forever. Of course, you should be careful and smart, but you do not need to be old before you begin your life.
That makes sense. I do not want to wake up at 30 and say, I was too afraid to try. I want to remember that I started, even if I started small.
And a small stand at a local market is a smart start. You can learn what people like, how much to make, and how to speak with customers. It is a simple classroom, but a very good one.
I love that idea. A simple classroom. Maybe this market can teach me confidence. Maybe it can teach me how to believe in my own work, too.
It can, if you keep showing up. Confidence is not magic. It grows when you do the thing again and again, even while you still feel afraid.
I think I often wait to feel ready first, but maybe that is the problem. Maybe people do not feel ready. They just begin.
Exactly. Readiness is often a myth. Action creates readiness, not the other way around.
I am going to remember that. Action creates readiness. That sounds like something I should put in my notebook, too.
You should. And when you open your stand, you can also tell your story. People do not only buy jam, they also connect with the person behind it.
That part scares me a little. I am shy, and I do not always know what to say. I worry that I will stand there and freeze.
Then keep it simple. You can say, "Hi, I'm Sophia. I make homemade jam, and this is my new lemon honey flavor." That is enough to start a warm conversation.
That sounds possible. Short, friendly, and honest. I can do that.
Yes, you can. You do not need perfect words. You only need real words.
You know, I was very nervous when I talked to you just now. I almost walked away without asking about the lemons, but I am glad I spoke.
I am glad too. One simple question brought you lemons, and maybe also a little more courage. That seems like a very good morning to me.
It really does. I already feel different from the girl who entered this market 10 minutes ago. I feel lighter and stronger.
That is what happens when you face something directly. The fear becomes smaller because you stop feeding it. You start taking your power back.
I want to keep that feeling. Maybe after I buy the lemons, I will ask the manager about the table right away. If I wait, I may lose my courage again.
Then do it while your heart is open. Momentum is helpful. Sometimes the best time to act is the moment after you decide.
You are right. I will do it today. Even if my voice shakes, I will still ask.
That is courage. Courage is not a calm voice or a perfect smile. Courage is doing it anyway.
Thank you, Alex. You may not know it, but this conversation means a lot to me. I came here to buy fruit, but I think I also found motivation.
And I came here for vegetables, but I found a good conversation. Life is funny like that. Ordinary places can give us important moments.
Before I go, can I ask one more thing? If I really open my stand next week, would you come and try my jam? I would like my first customer to be someone kind.
Yes, I would be happy to. Tell me the day and time, and I will come. I want to see how your new chapter begins.
That makes me smile. I think next Saturday morning will be my first day. I am scared, but now I am also excited.
That is a great mix. Fear and excitement often arrive together when something matters. It means you are moving toward a life that feels bigger.
Then I will keep moving. No more hiding in the same small circle. I quit my comfort zone, starting here at this local market.
And that is a beautiful place to start. One step, one table, one jar, one conversation at a time. You are already on your way, Sophia.
Thank you. I am going to buy those lemons now. and then ask about the table before I can change my mind. Today feels like the first real day of something new.
Go do it. I believe in you, and I think other people will believe in you too. Good luck, future jam seller.
Thank you, Alex. Enjoy your shopping, and maybe I will see you here again soon. Next time, I hope I will be standing behind my own table.
I am sure you will. And when I see you again, I think you will look proud because you chose courage over comfort. Have a wonderful day, Sophia.